This week, I've been able to teach Outschool on vacation, which is awesome because we've been able to be out in this wonderful environment outside, not just at my hometown, but into a town to where we can self-isolate and also give back to our students who are signed up for our classes. Uh, and this is allowing them to know that we can still be in the world and still do the things of the world, but be able to have a life also within the realms of the Outschool community. My first class was wonderful. I loved it, loved everything about it. I loved the students. I loved being able to get to know them in a musical setting because that's what my background's in. My second class, I've also was able to give back to the community through music also. I'm getting a level 2 class set up so that I can have different levels set up from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
What do you teach?
I teach music theory, music lessons, and any type of music classes that anyone's interested in. They can put a suggestion out there. I'll put a curriculum together and work with them however it's going to feel fit for them. But my main thing is getting the basics out there, the pre-band, which is band class, which is going to be your basic theory, learning the notes and rhythms, rests, and stuff like that, so that when you get ready to get your instrument together and put it together, you have a clue of what's going on beforehand so that you can make this an easier transition. If you like what you just heard, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, Robinson'sOnlineTeachingJourney.com you can go to, and we have avenues for you to get started through there as a teacher. Also, if your son or daughter is interested in one of the music classes that I teach, please go to Outschool and sign them up. I'd be glad to work with them. And it's a great atmosphere. It's a great opportunity to be able to have not just one person giving back, but having the students interact with the teacher and allow their knowledge to be able to interact with my knowledge and to work together to make this a better situation for all of us in this time. We also, on our website, Robinson'sOnlineTeachingJourney.com, students can sign up for Outschool classes also on our website, and also through Outschool itself. You can go and sign up for a class. Look for my name, Phillip Robinson, and it will be music theory level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll be getting level 2 set up soon so that we can get the progress from level 1 to level 2. Thanks. I'd just like to give a shout out to my wife. She is wonderful and great through this process. I thank her for her support. I've been able to have several classes through Outschool, and I thank the Outschool company for allowing me to be able to be a part of them. Also, within this, I will be doing some flex classes coming up, which are reoccurring classes, so that you can pull them up at any time and work on your skills in whatever area that I put out there. We'll be having those coming out real soon too. So I look forward to my flex classes and for more of my music classes. Thanks, y'all, and have a great day.
Definitely have a great day while we enjoy our view. Thank you. And goodbye.